The ICFA University Meghalaya Admission Open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences, and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057, 94851 58603, 700-505-7728, 8794-250646.
On 3rd August 2024, the Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Parents Association at Mawphlang, led by Binestar Khonglah, convened a meeting at the community hall in Mission Compound, Shillong, to express concerns over the current management of the school. This follows the tragic death of 17-year-old Nathaniel Sohtun, a class 11 student who allegedly died from electrocution in a hostel bathroom on the 28th of July 2024. The parents unanimously called for the removal of Principal Neelam Sharma and a change in the school's management. They also urged upon the Ministry of Education, the National Human Rights Commission, the State Education Department and other relevant agencies to investigate into the incident and ensure student safety. The students had previously reported issues with electrical safety in the hostels to the school authorities, which they alleged were ignored. The parents, on the other hand, demanded the discontinuation of online classes, advocating for a return to offline learning during the period following the students' deaths.
Ngalaj ya terus ngin kong di sekolah bon magi kena ki ong bangil asabat laj man kapor tika umru kam jubiang tika cingca cung tu kena ang tei jurong ru nakada bom dan situ cha ke building basama o tu lain no sa tu ke ke building tu ke badan te kadon ga cing short cung ke koren cung laj ki kena ki la ya le ka bela ban pelaj ten re ka cing kelumar ba pli ki kena mo te ha pedang ka laj ke ba ka cing laj boarding ke ba ka cing lik le si ka ding ni pa ye ti kimla shu ki kena banyaram ti kum ta ter la jano ka basni yu ti ki kena ro ki sa adu menta ro ki long ki irte nomor ba ki khamdam ki badan lang ro kapor ti sekawai pat na kalyang jonga comparens sekawai pat nga up ngapek mo kum ngarong dai we PTC balaje de ki mikpa pa ngi pek ka ngile ya ro si ba pendep ya kacing ontep ya Nathaniel te nakalyang joka principal ka klam wan tang ban ai ga condolence message ro ka klam pha te nang takidon ki staff ki ro ki bakwa ban wan ro ka pelaj te makaro kam wan hira hadu ka singi ba ontep te kata kadaw king ka penlong yingi parents ban kani te kala mlong shu ban shuya ngap kum ne ngi haban ne kenduk no tang para parents kan ban ba kani ka principal hi ka kan dai ban mi no nang te na po Jnv nuan no da kini ki principal sinrang ki bala ban manage ki bala ban control ya kane ka school ki bala ban penyai bet penyai nanti na ban ta ka ching song suk song sngan chuki khun ki jongi namar ka school kam dei ka school chong no ka dei be ka school chuki pai ba ka dei ka school chong ka baka sarkar kala le subun kala le bahai ngi chuka is ka sil district ki bagi khun chongi ki balong well talented ki layo ban rung hang te bat kadon ka future ka babahana mata jenggi ka bright future marka de central school temo ti kala kami pheri ki kai bat ka embos ti kumta ken ba kanang ba kan wanra e ka ching song sngan ka ching suk man sim jenggi kena school na do 6 hado 12 bat kum chuk ki mi ki paru ki ba don khun hang te ti nakalyang jonga hi ngas ngoba nakalyang kini ki bor badai kmi na do ka human rights commission na do DC na do Ministry of Education naduk ki Human Resources na Delhi nang ta naduk Principal Education Jakarta State nang ta Chief Secretary ru mo le singi ngem la ban le kmi iwe biwe le kila dai ban shimkhia ban take action wud ikan ni ba ken pen state wud ya ka ban pen repair no iki pipeline ki bahe ki baret ka kamera ka bacet ka bapai ka pan khana barkhai ban pen biang ko ka wa na dong sedong bat ka bam ka di kam dei ka ba long torti ka bam ka di ban long nutritious ka di ban long ka batai ba biang ki vitamin si ki khna te ke kathia kadam ru nang ta ki dei ban don ru da ki warden ki ban long paralok bat ki khana school ki ban ya consult bat ki khana school kham tam ki khana serang ki bom don man tam ki shong bai kum to tam bat ki no hikai ki bom de ki warden ki de ki house master ti ngi kwa kan baka nakaliang chung government central government of India baka state government ki netrilang kin wana no da principal bat mai te baka nomor ka online class hi ka long ka bom biang bombet ke fair hi ban baki kena don face to face bat kino hikai ka classroom ke chungki te kenang bakin yo ka marks ka ba ha anda la dep ya ka 12 te ngi kwa ka ngi nakaliang chungi kum ki parents ni penpau ba nakiliang badi kmi baro khot nai up ken bangin daling mi situ mo te ken ye trai ke ka kam ka baki dei ban trai ken te bat kham tam ki nakaliang chung ka anru ki ba dei ban pe ban khmi la da dei ban kem no principal hap kem ni ngana kaliang sunga ngaso ban ong ta kan tin re na kaliang pacungi tingi pen pau kita hi ba kum ki parents te ngi adu lo ka jinsan ya ki la do lo ka jinsan ya kan ka principal te ila ko ha be hi ban yo be da bat mai ya ketika sekolah bat sakawai ru ngim kwa ban delay kan ka kam banda ong up report kata ba hap dang le inquiry kum ta dang hap kum ta ngi kwa ba ka ta ka kes kana ya ji kat ke badai te ke badai ba file manu di kata ka man ya ringi pat kong ki parents te ngi kerpat i badik mi baka school kan nang penbahan wud ya ke repair na ro sitong bat kan long song sangan song sok bat man marna no kam kloi principal nadu RO nadu regional office ro di badai pe ya ke Jnv Mawphlang chengi te tangkum tai ngangai trai kala biang ni